Hey guys, welcome to Quizmates. Today we are playing Choose Your Gift, Pink, Blue, Gold Edition. Before moving forward, make sure you have subscribed to our channel. All right, let's play. Choose your cake. What did you get? Share in the comments. Choose your shoes. Choose your ring. Choose your burger. Choose your bedroom. What did you get? Share in the comments. Choose your necklace. Choose your keyboard. Choose your kitchen. What did you get? Share in the comments. Choose your controller. Choose your bike. What did you get? Choose your castle. Choose your guitar. Choose your hairstyle. Choose your pancake. What did you get? Share in the comments. Choose your ship. Choose your phone. Choose your bathtub. Choose your outfit. What did you get? Choose your clock. Choose your ice cream. Choose your cup. Choose your lamp. Choose your headphones. What did you get? Share in the comments. Choose your burger. Choose your bicycle. Choose your watch. Choose your backpack. Choose your airplane. Choose your handbag. What did you get? Choose your sunglasses. Choose your toilet. Choose your car. Choose your chair. Choose your laptop. What did you get? Choose your shake. Thank you so much for watching. For more quizzes like this, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. All right, see you next time.